in the vibrant but vulnerable regions of northern Ghana and the Oti region. A groundbreaking initiative is taking place. Funded by the International Development Association (IDA) of the World Bank, with a $150 million credit facility, the SOCO Project, implemented by the Ministry of Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development, is transforming communities. The project aims to foster social cohesion, build resilience, and promote climate adaptation while reducing conflict vulnerability. With an increasing
SOCO, in its fullest terms, the Gulf of Guinea Northern Region Social Cohesion Project, is meant to address the critical needs of communities within the Sahel regions who are lacking in terms of critical infrastructure needs. It is a World Bank backed loan facility that is providing these critical interventions.
The SOCO project, which is also a regional project being implemented in 4 countries, Ghana, Benin, Togo, and Cote d'Ivoire, is a $450 million project, of which Ghana is benefiting $150 million. Now, the Ghana project has been structured around 3 main components. The component 1, which is basic investment in community resiliency and inclusion. And within this component 1, it is strictly $112.5 million, which is being invested at the community level. First, in the areas of social infrastructure, and then with another part being invested in local economic development. And we have a third part that is also being invested in youth engagement and then inclusion. The SOCO project is actually implementing in 6 regions. We have 5 regions of the North and the Oti regions. The 5 regions being Upper East, Upper West, and Northern region, Northeast region, and then the Savannah region. Of course, to include the Oti region, making 6. Now, within these 6 regions, we are targeting 48 out of a total 64. These 48 districts have been selected based on specific criteria, which include incidence of poverty. We also have proximity to the border, let's say, and then we also have the vulnerability to climate change and land degradation. And then also we consider the security risks within these communities. Yes.
This project stands tall among the projects we've been implementing because, number 1, it is unique in its nature in terms of community cohesion, bringing various community stakeholders together to be able to bring about development, and also bringing them together to reduce incidents of conflicts.
It is my pleasure to declare the actual execution of all 582 projects in the 48 MMDAs under the Gulf of Guinea Northern Regions Social Cohesion SOCO Project duly commenced.
Through the delivery of a total of 33 roads and culverts in the first year of the project implementation, the project has improved access to essential services and markets, facilitated economic activities, and fostered social interaction among previously isolated communities.
Rainy season is supposed to be a blessing to us, but to the people of Tafakwam, whenever it starts to rain, we are sad. Not because we are not happy the rain is coming down, but we are sad because we know once the rain is in, our road is going to be cut off. When this happens, children find difficult getting access to education in the next community. Nursing mothers and pregnant women also find it difficult, and they are attending their postnatal and antenatal services. So when we heard that SOCO was about to construct a culvert for us, we were very happy. And when we saw the final implementation of the project, we were really excited. As the project came, we've seen that it's now very easy for our women to attend their postnatal and antenatal care. Our children too now have easy access to attend their schools. I'd like to use this opportunity to thank SOCO for this great initiative.
It's a great challenge for a lot of people accessing communities down there. They would have to use other alternative routes, which was a far distance from this side to the other side. And even in some cases, school children, it posed a great challenge for them crossing over to go to school. And there had been instances where a school child was drowned in the water because when it rains, school has to automatically close. So the construction of this bridge is an important thing for the community.
Instead of you just moving, there are houses here. If you have a car and you want to come home, you have to go around the community and pass in from the link road I've already mentioned. Townsville to SOCO Project, we have a standard bridge that even articulated trucks can use, not only cars. We are most grateful. Thank you.
59 classroom blocks and teacher accommodations have been constructed, providing a stable learning environment and attracting qualified educators. Education is a key pillar for building resilient communities and youth empowerment.
I'm a teacher in Mobile Basic School. In fact, I would like to commend the government and also the SOCO project. In fact, at first, we used to have a lot of challenges when it comes to infrastructure development, like desks, classroom unit blocks. But now, as we all can see at my back, with the help of the SOCO, we have been able to get a 3-unit classroom block. In fact, we really appreciate that, and we pray that as time goes forward, you do more for us.
When we move in this new building, I feel very happy. Whenever I wake up and I wash my face, I feel that I'm coming to school. I'm coming to learn. Because I saw to it that what I'm now going inside, it made me feel happy that I can do something in the future. So it always makes me feel happy.
Actually, as you can see, that we have the old structure here that is made up of mat, which is only a single classroom unit. You can just see that this single unit classroom block was containing all the peoples in this community, Nyosbara community. We have KG1, KG2, basic 1 up to basic 3. Actually, it wasn't easy for students as well as teachers. We have a new structure that is aided by SOCO, as we can all see. This has come to give us so much smiles on the faces of our little ones, and as well as we the teachers and the community members as whole.
Before the coming of this project, it's always difficult for teachers to come and teach. So there, I think they were pleased 1 or 2 times. Then today, we have seen the light. The structure was put up and it is finished and finished. Where I stay in the class just a stone throw. I don't suffer, I don't cross rivers to come and teach.
The project is also very unique because it addresses issues of gender inclusiveness. Women empowerment is very key and pivotal in the implementation of this project. We are aware that once you are able to empower women, then you'll be reducing poverty by half in most of the communities.
First, I will thank Assemble and then come to SOCO. Initially, at Salum, there was no work. But because of this project, it has helped me. By learning of this shampoo, condition, and then other products, now I don't go to the market to buy shampoo or conditioner.
This project has done a good to us and in our family too, because now we can save money to take care of our children and take care of ourselves too. So we say a big thank you to SOCO for what you people have done for us.
Currently, a number of groups have been supported under local economic development, which is the component, sub-component 1.2 of the project. I'm a weaver. We make smokes. We were having challenges getting access to materials. Some of the group members could not even afford one roll of thread, but SOCO came and gives us support, a massive support, because if somebody could not afford one roll, and SOCO came in and give each member 8 rolls of the thread, it has actually helped us, and we are very grateful. This has improved our work. It has improved our livelihood. It has improved our income levels, and it has improved our living standard. We are much grateful.
Enkani no be use local oven na omodi inotie AC ehun eja emusie obewie no na wa bre obesatimi anya fever won ho but say oven na omodi amaye no odi two bread a omre no ani so di bread na sha oven mo na wuti baby ji wan ho me mi wie catering school na me ni oven but say SOCO father woman metumi to two bread.
We are the northern center of the Ghana. All the trees are the main cash crop for us, but lack of knowledge or lack of understanding, they are destroying it. So SOCO have helped in content of disease so much that even we cannot say all. To make our life change, to make the youth also change. And the youth most of them are happy when they go to the field now. In fact, you'll be happy. And SOCO have even improved in our community here, Kamanchu. Garlic processing, in fact, we were so pleased about SOCO.
The 73 rural markets will contribute to creating economic hubs and empowering local traders, particularly women, to improve their livelihoods. Economic stability contributes to social cohesion and reduces vulnerabilities.
When they were using the temporary hut, some don't even have money to roof their addition with zinc. They use the Zana mat. But for now, they have a place to sit. If it is raining, nobody need to pack his things and run away and come back later. And she added that the market has been paved. In the olden time, how to spread your goods before you get up, the whole things are dirty. But for now, they can spread their things on the pavement and they will take it and it's not dirty. In the olden time, when someone comes, they say, hey, what kind of market is this? But for now, they realize that yes, here is a true market supported by SOCO.
In terms of healthcare, we have also implemented 66 health facilities. We have including CHIPS compounds, actually clinics, and we also have the supply of specific equipment to some very critical facilities.
Wuchauna palong, wuchauna bieluma, chondoma obimbatu nu yiring, kan karaba. SOCO deme, ba SOCO deme wane CHIPS compound or kubatu nu deme.
My name is Abigail Desneoswedu, a principal community health nurse. And then we are very grateful to SOCO for this facility. This facility, Danko Chips, is going to serve the people in this place and also those in the environs. We are so grateful for this opportunity because this facility is going to provide maternal and child health care, which is actually on the heart of Ghana Health Service and even the World Health Organization.
Adwuma we aba yankasa ye ni age nti Israel yankopɔ se na me mama ahonde na mombu ayesa because nka ye wo hawu bebre aye ha ye wa se oyarefo obi wo oyare sesi a se na obeya obekwa koduru nkwanta no upe moto kura ahonya nso nde yanya se edan we abegira ase a doctor for beba betra aye adwuma no.
The SOCO project has delivered a total of 210 water facilities to expand access to clean and safe drinking water.
When it comes to the water closet, there was no place of convenience around here, so people were defecating anyhow. But this thing has come to solve that problem. People have a place to defecate, particularly during market day, that's on Sunday. And those taking care of the place, very clean. So people come here, they're patronizing it. So we say, thanks to SOCO, but as Oliver Trey said, we always ask for more. Thank you.
SOCO has given us a very nice toilet facility and bath for us to benefit. And for that matter, I want to, as a representative of the chief of the divisional area, to thank the SOCO project very much for giving us this facility.
Because the toilet was in a deplorable state, sometimes when it rains, some of the fecal matter could rise up from the manhole and overflow into the community. So it was posing a great health risk to the community, and also just saying that he's happy that this project has come.
SOCO people came to help us a lot. Now my house is just near a standpipe.
A very nice project. Since the inception of the project, we are enjoying water very, very well.
In its first year, the project created over 6,283 temporary jobs targeted at especially women, youth and marginalized groups to be part of the construction of the community-based social and economic infrastructure.
So ana omo be try di say omo pese omo ko fa obi wo kru foforo aba omo pe community for no ana omo je so ano na ye kakra so say ano kra aboa ma yetimi to fertilizer ayeduma no.
She was just saying that it's been beneficial to her because she was picked as an unskilled laborer to work on the building of this toilet sub-project. From the proceeds, she's been able to start rice business. So it's been beneficial to her.
In all the areas that we do engage, we have a focus on the youth. And even though under component 1.3, or the third component under the building capacity for resiliency or investing in communities, we also ensure that the youth play a key part first of all, in the selection process of the sub-projects. Within these groups, we ensure that there is someone who is speaking specifically for youth, for disabled persons and others.
SOCO implements various initiatives designed to empower youth and provide them with the tools they need to contribute positively to their communities. One of these initiatives is the SOCO Games. These games serve as a platform for youth to unite, celebrate their diversity, and engage in meaningful conversations about the challenges they face. In addition to sports, SOCO supports the establishment of youth parliaments, which empower young voices in local decision-making processes. These platforms enable youth to express their concerns and aspirations while influencing policies that affect their lives.
SOCO has been a blessing to the Upper East region. We benefited 248 physical projects, and I'm happy to indicate that majority, over 90% of the projects that started in 2023 have been completed and then handed over to the beneficiary communities.
We all know about the benefits of SOCO because SOCO, we term it as a game changer. We have started seeing signs of the benefits of the project.
We have just finished the 6th implementation support mission for the project. In this mission, we had an opportunity to visit all the regions in the north and meet all the key stakeholders. The project is making significant impact on the ground. We have the 3 officials at the district level, people at the community level are seeing impact themselves and really are very serious about taking this project forward in the next cycles. The government of Ghana is also seeing this as a major flagship program for conflict prevention and also to coordinate with other development partners.
Focus of the project clearly indicates that the priorities of the citizenry had been taken on board and the benefits are enormous.
So I want to thank SOCO Project very well for supporting us.
I thank SOCO for dividing 3 units class for us.
We thank SOCO for helping us to get in a teacher's quarters.
I'm here to say thank you to SOCO Project and the Ministry of Local Government.
We thank SOCO Project for giving us a nice block.
We thank SOCO very much for the project they have given us.
I'd like to use this opportunity to thank SOCO for this great initiative.
We extend our deepest gratitude to the government of Ghana for their unwavering commitment to the development of our communities, and to the Ministry of Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development for their effective implementation and oversight of this transformative project. Our sincere thanks to the International Development Association, IDA, of the World Bank for the $150 million credit facility that made this initiative possible.